majority selected self-government, as our rangatira said, he wasn't very happy at the time. I understand completely. And that was a Labour government, and at the time was the Norman Kirk government between 1972 and 1975 that was in charge. Norman Kirk died during that period. It was the only Prime Minister of our generation who died in Parliament, and Bill Rowling, I'm not sure if Bill Rowling took over then. So that was a huge decision for Niue, and I think if I was in Niue, I might have been acting a bit like our chief over here too, because I do agree that New Zealand governments should treat Pacific Islands with a lot more respect. Because and we've got the Samoan kaupapa going through right now, and that's what it's all about people of Samoa being treated with disrespect, not being given the recognition that they should have. So you have no problems with me. I think they get sick of me in Parliament telling them the same type of thing with Māori. You do have a difference though in terms of what Māori have and what Pacifica have with respect. And I hear your kōrero about wanting the same as Māori. With respect, that can't happen because Māori are Indigenous people of this country with a special relationship. That does not mean, of course, that Pacifica shouldn't be treated with the utmost respect, because Pacifica are being treated like everyone else. And I think if we're coming from that perspective, 100% support. And so there should be a special respect and support given to Niue for the respect and for the tradition, for the history, for the work that Niue has done. Kaimahi workers have come here, contributed to this country, and without doubt, New Zealand, whoever's been in, have not reciprocated. That kōrero has been relayed to governments, whether they've been Labour or national governments. Pacifica and Māori MPs through the years have challenged them. Arthur Anai, who's Samoan former MP and national, he's dealing to his former party every day, the National Party. And so it's an ongoing fight to have the country address the loyalty that people like yourselves have shown to them. So I thank you all. I know many Niuean people, wonderful people. Too many of you have married Maoris, and I have a number of Niuean relations. It's beautiful. We love them. I think back and as they've come into our whānau, and that's what it's all about.